Did you know woodpeckers can cause damage to your property? Take a look at this business who recently had a woodpecker on the side of their building. Notice the debris falling as it pecks through their wall. Their pecking can cause costly repairs, structural issues, and long-term problems. At AviAway, we offer professional installation of a complete Woodpecker Bundle to protect your business. The Woodpecker Bundle includes 3 proven deterrents. The Woodpecker Pro Sonic Device, a programmable sound unit that plays authentic woodpecker distress calls and predator cries. These sounds confuse and frighten woodpeckers, forcing them to seek safer areas. The unit is fully customizable and protects up to 1 acre of space. Terror Eyes, a 3D holographic balloon deterrent designed to work in tandem with the sound device. Its bold colors and holographic eyes mimic natural predators. As the balloon moves with the wind, it creates the illusion that the building is actively being watched, keeping birds unsettled and moving on. And Optical Gel Cups, an all-natural multi-sensory repellent. These gel cups create an illusion of fire or smoke that is visible to birds, deterring them from landing, making surfaces appear dangerous to birds. It also releases a strong scent of citronella and peppermint, which further discourages them from approaching. Combined with its sticky texture, the gel provides a powerful layered defense. Birds perceive treated surfaces as unsafe and avoid landing. Together, this professionally installed bundle offers a safe, humane, and highly effective way to prevent woodpecker damage at your property. Remember that video in the beginning? Look at the damage this business dealt with. Don't let it happen to you. If you're seeing signs of woodpecker activity, act now. Call us at 844-247-3373 or click the link in the description to learn more.